everyone! A day visit to Terre Bleu Lavender Farm at Milton, Ontario with my mom, cousins, and auntie. In this video, I will show you mind-blowing beauty of the lavender and the details of the farm. You must book online for your visit. No walk-in admission. This farm open until August 30th. So please hurry up for your booking. Look at this beautiful lavender blossom. Lavender smell in the air. This place is giving good mind relaxation. Specifically in this pandemic, people really need this. This farm is very safe to visit. They only allow a certain amount of people. I love this lavender farm. This farm is 200 acres scenic and unique area for explore. So please wear comfortable footwear for walking. You can buy their handmade products in their store. They don't accept cash, only accept debit or credit cards. So be prepared for your visit. Don't miss their unique products. This farm staffs are very nice and friendly. Mostly students doing seasonal job. This is the farm map. They have 2 farms and we can visit same admission. I'm at Farm A. Let's go and explore. This way heading their famous Yellow Door Lavender Farm. On this way, we need to walk through 200 years old forest. It is thick and little dark. Sunlight coming through the trees make us to feel good. A small creek running through this forest. Make sure walk in the pathway. They put posters, otherwise you will get lost. When you go with small kids, be curtains. They may excited and run and miss the way. Your phone are not working very well here. Forest area signal are not good. You can't get good help if you miss the path. Many people are walking in this pathway, so better stay in the path. You will be enjoyed the forest walk. The pathway is not even and roots are all over. So when walking, better to be mindful. This is my first experience to walk in the forest. Really amazing experience. Do you guys have a forest walking experience? Please share your experience in the comment box. This forest giving us natural air conditioner. This farm offer yoga class in this forest. Please check their website for details. This is so cool! We are walking on a wooden pathway. Look at the small water creek. Middle of this forest. If you want, you can sit there and relax. mushrooms! They're glowing in the sunlight. A stone bench that looks so beautiful. In the next video, I will show you their famous yellow door in the middle of the lavender farm. Stay connected. See you guys in the next video.